Why you're always tired, even when you sleep enough. You slept 8 hours and still woke up tired again. Quick question, is your sleep bad or is your energy leaking? Here's the twist. You don't have an energy problem. You have an energy leak problem. In 2025, sleep is not equal to recovery. Blue light, caffeine timing, and notifications keep your brain on, even when you're off. Payoff promise fix the leaks, and the same sleep suddenly works. No supplements, no biohacks, just smarter energy management. Hidden cost, your brain burns more fuel thinking about doing things than doing them. Tab switching, quick checks, DM peaks. Each micro switch drains glucose like a leaky battery. Relatable snapshot, you wake up at 100%. By noon, you're at 15%, and the day's only half over. That's not laziness. That's design. Science beat, it's called cognitive load fatigue. Every decision, what to eat, which tab, which task, withdraws from a tiny mental account. That's why you feel sharp on vacation. 90% of decisions vanish. Micro shift 1. Stop touching your phone in the first 10 minutes after waking. That's your brain's cleanest fuel. Don't spend it on notifications. Micro shift 2. Batch decisions. Same breakfast. Same first task. Same start ritual. When the morning is pre-decided, your focus becomes a weapon. Micro shift 3. Insert 90-second resets between focus blocks. Stunt. Breathe. Stare at a wall. Your brain refuels faster than you think, if you actually pause. Identity flip, you don't need more hours. You need a system that protects the energy you already have. Most people don't burn out from working hard. They burn out from working scattered. One-line mantra, my energy decides my productivity, not my hours. Write that tomorrow before touching your phone. Action plan, today 1. Phone-free first 10 minutes. 2. Pre-decide breakfast plus first task. 3. Add 190-second reset. Do those 3, and watch the same sleep produce a different day. Closed sleep is just the charger. FocusFlow is how you stop leaking the battery. Subscribe for the next system